Hi there, my name's Crvenkovic and I'm the founder of Ace Language Academy. We are a language academy teaching English and Spanish using the Cullen method. And we also teach business English and support companies with their staff and their language skills. So our biggest problem before we started our training was our whole marketing strategy in general, and how to implement this, and mainly getting and acquiring new students. And we needed to know everything. What was the best way to market? How do you market well and efficiently so you're not wasting money on your budget? And what's the most effective way to do this? There are so many other companies and training methods to learn, and we really wanted to know the best way for us and the most cost-effective way too. The marketing for schools training has been absolutely awesome. We've learned everything. The marketers we've learned from have been really helpful and friendly, and it's actually allowed someone like me, an owner of a language school, to enjoy marketing and to get really good at it. We've improved everything. So we created a whole marketing strategy. We created a customer avatar so we know exactly who our students were and who we're targeting, what they read, what they watch, their influences, so we can target them and be more specific with our audience. We learned emails and our email strategy, so when to email, what to email, follow a path, the customer value journey, so from the minute they hear about your school, and not to scare them off right away, and to not just put out ads and ads and ads. You want to create a relationship with your students and your clients. So we learned that, and that's essential. Was really essential for marketing for your school. So we learned that. We learned how to get a lot of leads and do some lead magnets and get some information to do some retargeting. Our website looks fantastic. So over the years, it's really gone through a lot of changes. But after this training with marketing for schools, now it converts well, and it follows a path, and we have a strategy behind it, backed up with data and information that these marketers really know what they're doing, and the training's really awesome. So our website looks really great. We've learned how to provide offers and free trials to our students. And it's at the end, it's been really fun and really enjoyable to learn and to do, and it's helping our school grow and get new students, and not spending a lot of money on our budget at the same time. So I highly recommend it for any owner of a language school, or anyone teaching any language or anything really. It's essential in this day and age with a lot of online schools and lessons. So definitely check them out. They're awesome, and I've loved it.